Okay guys, let's talk about the application we're going to be building, and we're going to build this from scratch with a test-driven development approach, writing tests for everything, and it's going to be real fun. So if you want to actually try the application yourself, it lives on udemy.laracasts.com. Okay, so what's this application? It's a SaaS application like one you'd actually have in real life, and it has courses, and these courses are video lessons that the subscribers on the platform can use. Some of them are free, some of them are not, and for the ones that are not free, the user actually has to have a subscription, which means we're going to have LaraCasts and Stripe in this project, and this is going to create a Stripe subscription for the user, giving him permission to watch any sorts of lesson on the platform. Okay, so if we go ahead and visit one of the courses right here, which is actually created by one of the students here on this course, you can actually see that we have functionality right here that detects if you as the logged in user has already started this course, and we're using Redis for that, and we're gonna also write tests for that. And if we continue learning right here, then it takes us to the player page where we have the title of the series, and we also have the title of the lesson. Okay, and we actually have the player right here which loads videos for this particular lesson from Vimeo, and then we also have next and previous lesson buttons. And notice how it redirected us to the second lesson, because this is where we left off the last time we started the series. Okay, so we also have tracking right here with Redis. We also have next lesson and previous lesson functionality right here. If we go to the next one, we also have complete lessons functionality. So for example, if I forward this video to the end right here, automatically you see right here it fires off an event that tells us, yay, you completed the series. But then if it's not the last lesson of the series, then it's going to redirect us to the next automatically. Okay, another functionality I want to show you is the create series functionality, where you can actually create your own series as an administrator. So if you have an administrator account, you can create your own series, upload images. I'm going to be teaching you how to upload images to file storage and how to test these uploads to make sure everything is fine. And we're also going to be able to edit and delete series, all of that functionality. And right here, if we check out all the series, this is for the users that are not administrators. They can see all the series, but as administrator, we can also visit all the series right here, and we can see all the created series. If I click into this one, then it takes us to the content area where we manage this series. Okay, so we have this functionality right here, and this dashboard is completely created in Vue.js. Okay, so if we want to delete this lesson right here, we can go ahead and delete right there, and it gives us an alert. And if we say okay, then we have lesson deleted successfully, and we can actually go ahead and create another lesson in case we want. And this is simply going to add another lesson to the dashboard. We can also choose if a lesson is going to be premium, and by default it's false, but if we want it to be true, then means only subscribers will be able to watch that lesson. Okay, so that's our functionality. We have create, read, update, delete with Vue.js. This is the most part where we're going to be using Vue.js, and it's going to be real fun because there's a lot going on right here. Create, edit, delete, update, communicate with server, and stuff like that. So I'm just going to edit this lesson, and I'm going to make it premium right here. Okay, so if I save this lesson, then I visit the home page, visit that particular course, and then continue learning. I can actually watch it because I have an active subscription. Because if I visit my profile, then check out my payments and subscription, you can see that my current plan is yearly right here. Okay, and I can actually change my plan. So we have change plan functionality right here. And if I want to change my card details, I can also do that. So I can update card details, which pops up this pretty Stripe subscription form. I can put in my details, basically every single thing you want to do in a Stripe SaaS live application. We have that functionality right here. Okay, so I'm not going to be showing you through everything because there is a lot, but that's the basic idea of the application. And this actually has a lot going on behind the scenes, tracking stuff with Redis, making sure that we write tests for everything so that everything runs successfully, hosting this application and deploying it live. It's going to actually take a lot of work, and I'm going to be walking you through each and every one of that. Okay, so thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the course where we actually start building this awesome stuff. Thank you, and see you then.